Imagine you're writing a letter and you need to format it perfectly, like capitalize some word and find a specific letter or even slice parts out. JavaScript can help with all of these using strings methods. So let's explore how. Hey there coding enthusiast, welcome back to the JavaScript from Zero to Hero course. So in this today's video, we are diving into strings and strings methods. Strings are sequence of characters and JavaScript provides powerful methods to manipulate them. I'll show you how to use these methods in Visual Studio Code. So follow along. Now here, let's create a new file named strings.js. In JavaScript, a string is a series of characters enclosed in quotes. Strings can be surrounded by single quotes, double quotes, or even backticks. Let's start with a basic example. So here I am going to declare a new variable named greeting and setting the value to hello world. Now let's add a log statement here. So console.log greeting, and then save this file. So if you want to enable autosave, then go to file and then click on autosave. Now let's run the code. Okay, so in the terminal, you will see hello world printed out. That's basic string in action. JavaScript provides various methods to work with strings. Let's go through some useful ones. So first, let's see the length method. So here, after the greeting variable, I am typing dot length, and now let's run the code again. So in the terminal, you can see I got the value 13. So the dot length method returns the number of characters in the string. Now let's see the next method, which is to uppercase. So here I am adding one more console.log statement, and inside it, let's add that variable and then type dot to uppercase and parenthesis. So it will convert all characters into uppercase. So let's run the code, and here you can see all the characters are in uppercase. Similar to this, we have dot lowercase. So console.log and then greeting dot to lowercase, and it will convert all the characters into lowercase. So let's run the code. Okay, so here you can see all the characters are in lowercase. Next in the list is char add method. So if I want to get a specific character using the index, so I can get the character by its index. In JavaScript, every character in a string has an index. So it will start from 0. So right now, in this string, the h has an index of 0. For example, if I console.log and then greeting.char add, and if I pass here 0, so then you can see I got the h, which is the first character in that string. So if you want to get a character from a specific index, then you can pass the index here. After that, you will get that character like this. Next, we have dot slice method. So let's see console.log greeting.slice. Now if I want to get a part of the string, then I can use this method. I just need to pass the starting index and then the ending index. So for example, if I pass the starting index 0 and from 0 to like 10, and now let's run the code. So here you can see I got hello, and after that WOR, we got a part out of that string. So this method is used to slice a part of a string. Next method is dot replace. So let's see it, console.log. Now let's say I want to replace hello with hi, then I can use this method. So replace, then I'll pass first the search value. So I want to replace hello, then after comma, I'll pass the second argument hi. So which means I want to replace hello with hi. Run the code. Okay. Now here you can see we have successfully replaced hello with hi. Next, we have includes. So includes method is used to check if a string contains a specific substring. For example, let's say like console.log, and if I want to check if greeting includes a word, so then I can check it using dot includes method. So greeting dot includes, and then I can check it like word. And if I run the code, so here you can see we got a boolean value true, which means word is present in our greeting. Here you can see that. And one more important thing here, it's case sensitive. So if I pass all the characters in lowercase, then you can see it's returning false because word keyword is not present in that string. Next in the list is .trim. So .trim method is used to remove white spaces from a string. So for example, if a string contains unnecessary white space, so here you can see this greeting contains white spaces in both ends. Now if I want to clean it, then I can do it using .trim method. So let's see it. So console.log and then greeting.trim. Okay, so here we have a clean string. You can see the above string contains white spaces, but the last one is cleaned. And that's a wrap up on JavaScript strings and their methods. These tools make it easy to manipulate text in your programs. Experiment with them in your projects and get comfortable. I hope you found this video helpful. If you want the source code, then please do check out in the description. I'll attach a link over there. This video is a part of a JavaScript from Zero to Hero course, so please do check out our playlist. Like this video, share it with your friends. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button and also press the bell icon. I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding, everyone.